to study here ester, another type of organic compound, ester. Ester formed by reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol. Alcohol and carboxylic acid react together, form ester. Okay, look here, this chemical reaction, alcohol and carboxylic acid react together in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This chemical reaction takes place in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This concentrated sulfuric acid helps to remove water. Okay, here this is carboxylic acid and this is alcohol. Alcohol and carboxylic acid react together in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, after reaction, ester form. This product is called ester. During this chemical reaction, water is side product. Water is side product. So here concentrated sulfuric acid helps to remove water molecule. Concentrated sulfuric acid helps to remove water molecule. That's why this chemical reaction called dehydration. Hydration mean addition of water. Dehydration mean removal of water. Okay, during this chemical reaction, water is removed. That's why this type of chemical reactions are called dehydration. Okay. Okay, and this chemical reaction is reversible. This chemical reaction is reversible. See here we discuss alcohol, carboxylic acid react together, form ester. When you add water into ester, hydrolysis happen. Addition of water, hydrolysis. Removal of water, dehydration. Addition of water, hydrolysis, or hydration, removal of water, dehydration. Okay, so after addition of water into ester, it will change back to alcohol and carboxylic acid. So this chemical reaction is reversible reaction. Production of alcohol, it is reversible reaction. After addition of water, ester will change back to carboxylic acid and alcohol. Clear? Next one, we have to understand here how to name alcohol, how to name ester. Okay, so look here, this is one ester, this is one ester. How to name this ester? To name this ester, we have to say alcohol part first. Look, this is carboxylic acid, this is alcohol. From carboxylic acid, this OH will be removed, and from alcohol, this hydrogen will be removed. This OH and hydrogen combine to form H2O. So rest of the part, carbon double bond oxygen. Okay, CH3 C double bond oxygen, that is here CH3 C double bond oxygen. So this is acid part. This is acid part. Okay, and see here hydrogen removed. So what is left? Oxygen CH3. Oxygen CH3. So this is alcohol part. So in ester there is two part, acid part and alcohol part. To name ester, first we have to say alcohol part first. Okay, so here one carbon, so we have to say methyl. If there is one carbon, we have to say methyl. If there is two carbon, we have to say ethyl. If there is three carbon, we have to say propyl. We know already meth, eth, prop. You just add YL. Meth, eth, prop. Okay, here CH3, methyl. And if there is two carbon here, ethyl. Okay, so to name this ester, same ester here. Okay, so here one carbon, after oxygen there is one carbon, this is alcohol part, there is one carbon, so we will start with methyl. Okay, and here how many carbon? Two carbon. In acid part there is two carbon, so methyl eth. Okay, after eth you just write ANOATE. Remember, always the name of ester end with OATE. Name of ester always end with OATE. So name of this ester methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay, now look here, another ester here. After oxygen, this is alcohol part. In alcohol part, how many carbon here? 2 carbon. If there is 2 carbon, you have to add ethyl. You have to add ethyl. And this is carboxylic acid part. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon. So 2 carbon eth. After eth you just write this ANOATE. So name of this ester ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Clear? Now I will give you one more. CH3 CH2 C double bond oxygen C3H7. Now look here, this is C3H7. Here 3 carbon, alcohol part 3 carbon. This is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid 2 carbon. Do not count like this. Carboxylic acid part 2 carbon. Do not count like this. Do not. You have to count this carbon also. Do not forget to count carbon double bond oxygen. You know, this is carboxylic acid. Carbon double bond oxygen. This is the part of acid. So you must count 1, 2, 3. Here 3 carbon. Carboxylic acid 3 carbon and alcohol part 3 carbon. So how to name this 3 carbon? You have to start with propyl. Okay, and the acid part how many carbon? 3 carbon. So propanoate. Propanoate. This is the name of this ester, propyl propanoate. Okay, so you can check more example. Okay, so these are the things we have to discuss in this video. Okay, you can practice more past paper, more solved question. You have another video, you can check playlist and you can find past paper questions related to organic chemistry. Okay, so thank you for watching this channel, and the rest of the part we will discuss next video.